All right, so here are the pants. This is made out of Gore-Tex. These zip together. So basically your ski boot goes through here. So what happened is this came off. All right, so what I'm gonna try to do, I bought this on Amazon. This is Gore-Tex seam sealer. Now the instructions are atrocious. Repair tape instructions. Firstly, find out the location of the leak. This can be done by wearing the waterproof clothing in water for a short, it's ridiculous. Turn the clothing inside out, clean damaged area off with a dry cloth for repair. Using a regular iron, set temperature to middle steam. You will patch the inside of the clothing, repair your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer high performance clothing, cover small tears and holes by adhesive tape. Keep adhesive side down. Now, this is very hard to, maybe I'm a moron. To me, this looks like it peels off, but I assume this is the adhesive. So, looking at the rest of this, Gore-Tex, which is like this, my plan here is to not mess it up. Now, my plan here is to do something like this. Straight across. Originally, it looks like the back was done, but I think the smartest thing would be to go completely across from one side, like from, this is attached in these two spots. So if I went across from like here to there, and I was able to adhere the whole thing together, that would be great, that seam. So this is not rocket science, but we're just gonna go across like right here. All right. Probably I'd be smart if I start in the middle and work my way out. Something like this. All right. So that will line up with that. All right, so at least I know where I'm going to be aiming for. Now I definitely have to put something on top of it. I'm going to put parchment paper. Somebody said wax paper, but I don't know. I don't want it to melt. So take a little piece out. This is going to make it hard to see. What I'd like to do is get this half on and half off. So like kind of like that. Wish I had like a little bit of glue, just to glue it on. But, all right. So I have my iron. It is set to medium with steam, which probably isn't a good idea to turn the steam off. So I'll put this, I'm going to start just with the middle. And I can see through here, so. All right, so without ruining this, let's just. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably did nothing. Not bad. All right, now the problem is that I only grabbed a little bit of this. In other words, most of this is on here. So what I'll do is I'll come across here so that I have more material. Okay, so let's try that again. I'm just trying to use just the front of this. 1, 2, 3. It's working. I could add a drop over here, but I'm not going to. I think this will be good. Should I ruin it by doing it one more time? All right, one more time. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3. That's that. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm really pushing down pretty hard now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. I'm gonna let that cool a little bit. All right, I think that's it. I mean, it's definitely it. All right, so let me see here. Unplug this. I'll put a link to this in the description. It's more than enough what I needed. So I'm going to see if I ruined this over here. I didn't. I'll zip the pants back down. The proof will be when I go skiing and I stick my big fat foot and the ski boot in here. Snap this here. That's it, it's done.